Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, has been a topic of interest for scientists and space enthusiasts for centuries. With recent advancements in technology, humans have finally been able to explore and learn more about the red planet. But what exactly do we know about life on Mars, and what plans are in place to explore it further? Mars exploration. Mars has been explored by various space missions launched by NASA and other space agencies. These missions have been able to gather data about the Martian environment and have provided us with a wealth of information about the planet. Scientists have found evidence of water on Mars, which has increased the likelihood of the existence of life on the planet. Mars rovers. To further explore Mars, NASA has sent rovers to the planet. These rovers are equipped with various instruments that are designed to gather data about the Martian environment, including its soil and atmosphere. The latest Mars rover, Perseverance, was launched in July 2020 and has been exploring the planet ever since. Surface of Mars. The surface of Mars is a barren and inhospitable environment, with vast deserts and rocky terrain. The planet is also home to the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, as well as the deepest canyon, Valles Marineris. The Martian environment is extremely harsh, with low atmospheric pressure, high levels of radiation, and extreme temperature fluctuations. Type of environment on Mars. Mars has a cold and dry environment, with a thin atmosphere and no magnetic field. The thin atmosphere means that the planet is unable to retain heat, leading to extreme temperature fluctuations. This, combined with the harsh and rugged terrain, makes it a challenging place for life to exist. However, recent discoveries of water on the planet have increased the possibility of life on Mars. Living environment on Mars. If humans can establish a settlement on Mars, it will require a lot of effort to make the planet habitable. The harsh Martian environment presents several challenges, including a thin atmosphere, extreme temperatures, and a lack of resources. However, scientists are working on developing the technology needed to overcome these challenges and make life on Mars a reality. Plantation on Mars. Planting crops on Mars will be a significant challenge, due to the harsh and unforgiving environment. However, scientists are working on developing the technology needed to make this a reality. This includes developing methods for growing food in the low-pressure and low-gravity environment, as well as finding ways to protect crops from the high levels of radiation. Minerals and resources on Mars. Mars is believed to contain valuable minerals and resources, including iron, nickel, and cobalt. These minerals could be used to build infrastructure on the planet and support a human settlement. In addition, Mars is believed to contain large amounts of water, which could be used for drinking and agriculture. The discovery of these resources has increased the interest in establishing a permanent human presence on Mars. Conspiracies about Mars. Of course, with any topic as intriguing as Mars, there are bound to be a few conspiracy theories floating around. Some believe that there is evidence of a past civilization on Mars, while others believe that there is a secret government cover-up surrounding the true nature of the planet. While these theories are not supported by any evidence, they continue to captivate the imagination of many. Alien life on Mars. The search for alien life on Mars has been ongoing for many years, and while no evidence of life has been found yet, the possibility remains. Scientists are continuing to search for signs of life on the planet, and with the data gathered by recent missions, the chances of finding life on Mars have never been higher. What if there are aliens on Mars? The discovery of life on Mars would be one of the greatest scientific discoveries of all time. If aliens were discovered on Mars, it would raise many important questions about the nature of life, the origin of the universe, and our place in the cosmos. However, the discovery of life on Mars would also raise important ethical and safety concerns. If humans were to encounter intelligent life on Mars, it would be important to approach the situation with caution and respect for the potential consequences. Future plans for Mars. With the success of recent missions, there are plans in place to send humans to Mars soon. NASA and other space agencies are working on developing the technology needed to make this a reality. This would be a historic moment, as it would be the first time humans have set foot on another planet. Who will rule if humans move to Mars? This is a topic that has yet to be fully determined. Currently, there is no governing body on Mars, and the legal and political framework for a human settlement on the planet is still being developed. The issue of who will rule if humans move to Mars is complex, and it will likely involve international cooperation and collaboration. The goal is to establish a fair and sustainable system of governance that benefits all involved parties. Will Mars be divided into countries like Earth? The division of Mars into countries, like we see on Earth, is a topic that is still being discussed by scientists and experts. Currently, there is no governing body on Mars, and the legal and political framework for a human settlement on the planet is still being developed. It is possible that Mars could be divided into countries or territories, similar to how Antarctica is governed by international agreement. However, the division of Mars into countries will likely be influenced by international cooperation and collaboration, rather than competition and conflict. Can there be wars among nations on Earth for the distribution or control of resources on Mars? The issue of competition and conflict over resources on Mars is a complex and challenging one. With valuable minerals and resources on the planet, it is possible that nations on Earth could compete for control and access to these resources. However, it is also possible that international cooperation and collaboration could be established to ensure the sustainable use of these resources. The future of life on Mars is uncertain, and it will require careful planning, responsible decision-making, and effective governance to ensure that the resources of the planet are used in a sustainable and equitable manner. The future of life on Mars. The future of life on Mars is still unknown, but it is an exciting time for space exploration. With plans in place to send humans to the planet and the technology needed to make this a reality, we are on the brink of a new era of space exploration. Who knows what we will find on Mars, but one thing is for sure, the future of life on Mars is filled with endless possibilities. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of life on Mars, including the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. As we continue to explore the Red Planet, we are learning more about its environment, resources, and the possibility of life. Further ahead, we will be faced with important questions about governance, ethics, and safety. The future of life on Mars is an exciting and uncertain one, and we can't wait to see what discoveries await us in the years to come. Don't forget to like and follow, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get informed about future videos.